In the blue sea, a pirate named Pete sailed with a heart, not just a fleet. He looked for treasure, but on this day, Pete wanted to find a special Valentine's way. Not gold or silver, Pete said with a grin. I want a treasure that comes from within. He sailed to Love Island, so lush and so bright, hoping to find a love treasure in sight. On the island, Pete met Polly, the parrot. With feathers so colourful, bright like a carrot. Polly, will you be my Valentine? Pete asked so bold. Polly squawked and said, yes, more precious than gold. Together they sailed under the sky so blue. Pete and Polly, the love crew. Pete found his treasure not in a chest, but in Polly's heart, where love was the best. Let us know if you like the story.